The Easter egg hunt. Samantha is going to an Easter egg hunt. Samantha is going to an Easter egg hunt. Tracey is going to an Easter egg hunt. Tracey is going to an Easter egg hunt. The Easter egg hunt is at Sydney's house. The Easter egg hunt is at Sydney's house. It is going to be fun. It is going to be fun. Sydney's mom hid chocolate eggs. Sydney's mom hid chocolate eggs. Sydney's mom hid chocolate bunnies. Sydney's mom hid chocolate bunnies. Everybody is here. Everybody is here. Everybody has an Easter basket. Everybody has an Easter basket. The Easter egg hunt can start. The Easter egg hunt can start. Everybody must close their eyes. Everybody must close their eyes. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Samantha finds an Easter egg. Samantha finds an Easter egg. The Easter egg is behind a table. The Easter egg is behind a table. She puts it in her basket. She puts it in her basket. Tracey finds a chocolate Easter bunny. Tracey finds a chocolate Easter bunny. It's under the couch. It's under the couch. Tracey puts it in her basket. Tracey puts it in her basket. Sydney finds a chocolate Easter bunny too. Sydney finds a chocolate Easter bunny too. It's in front of the television. It's in front of the television. She puts it in her basket. She puts it in her basket. Everybody finds lots of chocolate. Everybody finds lots of chocolate. Everybody shares their chocolate. Everybody shares their chocolate. Samantha, Tracey, and Sydney love Easter. Samantha, Tracey, and Sydney love Easter.